Alright, today we're going to continue learning about perimeter. This week we've been working with perimeter. We've learned how to solve perimeter using color tiles. We've also used grid paper. Today we're going to use what we know about quadrilaterals and rectangles, and also use some addition and some multiplication to solve for it. So our problem that we're working with this morning, it says a rectangular swimming pool has a length of 11 meters and a width of 6 meters. What is the perimeter of the pool? I'm going to start off by just drawing a picture to help me out to visualize it. I know I have 11 meters and I have 6 meters. So I know that because rectangles have opposite sides that are congruent or the same, that this side, if this side is 11 meters, this side is also going to be 11 meters. And if this side is 6, that opposite side is also going to be 6 meters. So what I'm going to do is I know that I have two side lengths that are 11 meters. So I'm going to say 2 times 11. And I'm going to add that. I also have two side lengths that are 6. So I'm going to say 2 times 6. That would just basically be 11 plus 11 and 6 plus 6. So I'm going to turn that into 22 plus 12. And when I do that, I know that 2 1s and 2 1s would be 4 1s, and 2 10s plus 1 10 would be 3 10s. So I know that my perimeter is going to be 34 meters. I could have also just added 11 plus 6 plus 11 plus 6, or 11 plus 11 plus 6 plus 6. This is how I could use multiplication to kind of simplify it. So I'm going to do one additional problem, make sure everybody's understanding. So I have another one. This says this rectangle is 7 inches wide and 5 inches long, and it wants me to determine the perimeter. So when I'm doing that, I know that if this side is 7, that side is also going to be 7. So I know that I'm going to have 2 times 7, and I'm going to add that. If this side is 5, this side's also going to be 5, so it's going to be 2 sides that are 5. So there's my equation that I can use. Now I can turn this into 14, because 2 times 7, or 7 plus 7 equals 14. I'm going to add it to 2 times 5, which is 10, and that would be 0 1s plus 4 1s would be 4 1s, 1 10, 1 10, 2 10s, and then my unit is inches. So I would have 24 inches. So today we have learned how to use an equation to solve for perimeter. We can either add up all the sides, or we can turn it into a multiplication and addition problem like I've done here.